Anyscan series ultrasonic Flaw detector. Use of oblique probe. Choose the correct connection cable. Connect the probe and instrument properly. Adjust to the storage page by pressing the up and down keys on the left. Click the channel number. Click on channel to call. Click the plus button on the right again to confirm the call. Click the up and down keys on the left to return to the basic page. The thickness of the workpiece is set to the actual plate thickness. Click the range button to adjust it to be greater than sometimes the actual thickness of the measured workpiece. Start testing after applying coupling agent on the surface of the workpiece. The probe is dragged back and forth in a zigzag shape perpendicular to the weld seam. Generally, the defect waveform of ordinary steel structures should be lower than the quantitative line. The waveform requirements for defects in industries such as pressure vessels are lower than the judgment line. Direct probe usage. Connect the probe and instrument correctly. Long press to turn on the device. Adjust to the storage page by pressing the up and down keys on the left. Click the storage button. Click the channel number. Click on channel to call. Click the plus button on the right again to confirm the call. Click the up and down keys on the left to return to the basic page. Click the basic button again. Taking a standard test block as an example, start testing after applying coupling agent on the surface of the workpiece. It can be seen that the waveform appearing at the bottom of the screen indicates a defect. Press the gate button to adjust the position of the gate. Cover the waveform with the gate. Check the bottom display data row to determine the defect location. For 110毫米, which is the bottom of the workpiece. Press the basic key and use the plus and minus keys on the right to narrow down the range. Move the bottom of the wave to the right side of the screen. Press the up and down keys on the left to adjust to the auxiliary page. Click on automatic settings to enable automatic gain. The waveform height automatically changes to 80% of the screen. Click the dB加 button on the left to add 10 dB to this gain for easy observation later. No waveform appears during the detection process, indicating no defects. If there is a waveform that exceeds 10% of the screen height, can be identified as a defect. Move the probe above the small hole. You can see a waveform appearing. Two waveforms correspond to two small holes, which are defects. Press the gate button to cover the first defect wave with the gate. You can view the specific location of the defect, 27.50 below the probe. Adjust the gate to cover the second defect wave, 68.97 below the probe.